guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna do the driving lights with yellow tint. Let's do it. Okay guys, these are the driving lights that we're gonna put today. I'm gonna put a tint. I already have the pre-cut tint for this one, so link is gonna be on the description of the video. So it's only put it and heat it up and that's it, no cutting. But also I'm gonna put the link for vinyl. If you don't want to get the pre-cut, you can do it yourself and cut it yourself. Okay, let's do it. Okay, that's how it looks with the yellow. But I don't know, I might remove it or no. I would keep it for a little bit. No. Okay, that's how it looks with the yellow tint. Let me know what you guys think about this color. Okay guys, those are the yellow tint for the driving lights. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you wanna get them, okay? Let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.